Next up on the list, fix the echo. Soundproofing? Anyone? Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls, and welcome back to our series called Loft Vibes. If you guys don't know, this is the series where we bring you along decorating, making over our office spaces. In the last episode, we finally showed our team our new office space. We were all ready to move in, and then Miss Rona showed up and we had to pack up the old office individually and then get some movers to move us into the new office. And now we're here today.
Now that you're all caught up, let's get started.
Today I'm heading to our old office because I needed to pick something up. Now this is something I was nervous about since basically we handed it over, but our landlord requested a 2 months worth of rent security deposit for our unit, which was kind of salty because for everybody else they only did 1 month, but apparently they didn't trust us because we're young women. They were like, for you, 2 months. And I'm like, that's so rude. I was always so afraid because it's over $5,000 of our money that is in his hands that it'd be hard to get back if he didn't want to give it back to us. So anyways, when we were leaving the office, I showed up with a piece of paper that was sign this. It says that our unit is in beautiful condition and we're gonna get our security deposit back in full. Please, thank you. And he didn't want to, but I was like, I'm not leaving this property until you sign this saying it looks good, because I'm not gonna leave and then him be like, oh yeah, there was an issue and I'm no longer there and able to prove that it wasn't me. I wanted something signed on the day I was leaving, which I think makes so much sense. So today I'm going to pick up the security deposit. They tried to take out a window from the security deposit that was already broken, and he was like, no, it wasn't. And I was like, yes, it was. Here's literal photos. Or the day before we moved in, I did a walkthrough with a previous superintendent, and then I showed him all the photos, and he's like, nah, it's not that window that was broken. And I was like, new tenant. What window was broken? New tenant. This window. Oh, that's the same window. You're not taking that out of our rent. And he was just made me so angry. So anyways, long story short, I'm going to get our security deposit. Apparently it's in full. I'm gonna mobile deposit right here, right now, so that it doesn't bounce. I don't know. And I also have to pick up some mail. So this is the last time that we have to go there. The last time. Rant over. Let's go get our money, honey. $5,195. Thank you. Deposit this thing.
All right, I am out on a little trip to pick up an exterior door for the new office. We've just been keeping our eye on the Habitat for Humanity restore, just to see if there's any materials that come up that we could use for the office, because we love to reuse items instead of getting new ones. And there was this really nice white metal and glass exterior door that came up for a really good price, and we thought we could swap out our very dingy black one for this one, so I'm picking it up today. All right, here she is. You'll get a much better view when it's actually at the office, but I mean, it's pretty simple, but that's what we like about it. It's just glass and white and sleek and beautiful. Sweet. So it's the next day, we're in the office together and we need to get things set up. We're still gonna try our best to keep a safe distance, but I swear just yelling at each other across the room is still a much easier solution than going in one at a time and kind of guessing where we think the other person wants everything to go.
Hello. Hi. 6 feet. Stay away. My favorite one was it's a Kevin Hart distance. Or Kevin Hart's not long enough.
Yeah, Kevin Hart's teeny.
I know, you need to be a double Kevin Hart.
Oh my god. Well, I think it's time to start setting stuff up.
Yeah, I actually don't know where to start. So we have our new kitchen in, which looks amazing. So we could start putting kitchen stuff away, or we can focus on the office area and DIY supplies.
Let's start with the stuff that we it's easy. The kitchen stuff, just put it in the kitchen. All right, okay, so we should start opening stuff and see what we find. Okay.
Kelsey's trying to avoid me, but also avoid Becky.
Okay, so the kitchen essentials should go in the kitchen. I think that's a really easy place to start. And I also want to give a shout out to Delta for hooking us up with our kitchen faucet. Thank you, Delta. More on that to come in our kitchen makeover episode.
What's the predicament with the
Well, it's just gonna take up like all the shelf space.
Or we can make it go in the bathroom. Like, I don't know, we'd have to like make a little cabinet for it.
Because this is only ever used for like deep cleaning, right? Like you could put this stuff in the bathroom and then have like the vacuum and like the stuff we use every day out here.
Because that's taller than the vacuum?
Yeah. I just realized these shelves here are not movable.
What?
Oh, you just realized that now?
Yes, I just realized that now.
Why did you say something when I was
I did. I was like the top half is for that stuff, and then the bottom half because there's two
I
halves.
was literally just saying, oh, we could section it that way.
No, you have
It has
to.
to be that way. Like the mop won't fit either.
That's why I was like, wait, why are we?
Let's get a shorter mop.
We'll use the little pipe cutter to cut the mop. The Swiffer too, though, is.
That one comes apart.
Okay, wait. It might just be a mop problem. In which I say, the mop. Amazing.
Okay, our landlord wants to know what hardware we want. Okay, so he brought this one over. And he's wondering this or this.
You know what would be nice? I don't know where you get them. I think they're pretty cheap. You know the ones that go, I don't know if there's room for it, but they sit like on the edge?
Yeah.
They're like a little
knobby.
They're like a lip. Like a this.
Yeah.
And it sits like on the edge of the door, so you don't really see it. Okay, see this kitchen? How, like that's the one handle they have?
Yeah.
It's like in the door, and you like don't really see it. Like all these ones that I have pinned, like don't have hardware that's noticeable.
Let's picture what it looks like without hardware.
I love it. I don't know.
I feel like the hardware like adds something, you know?
I think it looks more industrial without hardware, kind of like a shop.
Is that a bad thing? A good thing?
I feel like you kind of want to be a little homier, but I don't know. Oh, we are in like a warehouse, so.
I don't know, I see what you're saying with the lip. I mean, I'd be down for that. You'd still do like black.
They would still see something. You'd see them.
Yeah.
So it might look a little more finished.
Maybe we'll ask him a lip one.
Yeah.
I'm so excited because when I started working in the film industry, we had like this cool production office with like a big kitchen and it was like so vibey. And now we have that. We're cool. This is Daniela's. When I see it, it is Daniela. It embodies Daniela. Miss you, Daniela.
Look at this ancient relic we found. It's not even mushy.
It's like a raisin.
Yeah.
An avocado raisin.
Ew. The kitchen is all set up to the best of our abilities, but remember guys, this is just purely an organizing video. There's gonna be a full-on makeover happening to the kitchen, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss when that video comes out. So next up, we're gonna tackle the office part of the office. This is gonna be the place where we actually sit down as a team and get work done. The plan is to set up this office-y area kind of like with desks and chairs, but one big DIY we wanna do is actually build a giant office closet storage room. This can house our gear, our DIY equipment, pretty much everything that we just wanna have nicely tucked away in a closet. But it's gonna be a room. It's a big closet. So we need to imagine what this space might look like so we know what furniture to order. So we're clearing everything out of the way and bringing in the 2 editors' desks that we already have. The problem with these is that they're too big for one person, but too small for 2 people. So we're using these temporarily, but we do plan to get different ones in the future. We have a temporary desk set up. We're gonna get different desks though, right? These are just placeholder ones. But this is lots of room. And then a TV will be here. It'll be so good.
So the office work area is looking as good as it's gonna get for now, but what I'm really excited about is this other little wing we have in our office. We're gonna use this for like lounging, but also potential boardroom meeting area. I'm really excited about that, so let's move on over there. So this is just where we put like all of the furniture and all the plants, which like, honestly guys, don't judge us. It's been coronavirus. And it's been like hard to take care of them. They're adjusting to this new space and the new lighting options. But let's start moving some furniture because there's a lot of it. Like, you know how people do like 2 chairs and then like a couch?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then like we could do the coffee table in the middle. Let's just start trying. So these we should maybe take out.
Yeah, we need to decide what furniture is staying here because this is too much.
I like these thrifted guys that we found.
Yes, that bench would be nice, like at the bottom of the coat thing.
At the front door, to sit on and do your like shoes.
Shoes on.
Now that we wear shoes in the office.
We're a shoes office.
Yeah, let's try.
It's not a big couch, so.
No.
We built this DIY herringbone table in an older video, and it's still, honestly, one of my favorite videos that we've ever done, so check it out, link in the description.
And then you have like either side walk through. That's cool. And then we can use the coffee table.
I love the coffee table so much. Like, what this is gonna get used for and how often, I don't know, but it looks cool.
Like filming, hangout.
Yeah.
And it looks nice, like, when you walk in, then it'll be like open and inviting.
Yeah. It's really nice.
I like it. Okay.
More curtains for there.
Curtains. If we want to pick a side, like if this is our walkway, then like we could shift it that way.
Right.
So that you can like keep that plant there.
Right, yeah.
So we're like committing to this is the walkthrough.
I think that makes sense.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Fun. Office is coming together.
I'm so happy. Do you want to figure out which rugs?
Yeah.
So we have all these rugs to choose from.
I love like this red one feels like the most vibey for like this type of space, but it can only get used in one place. So you gotta figure
It's
out.
also
what's the
like
best
not that big.
place. No, it's not. What's the biggest one? This one, right? The jute one?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think what would look the best under the with the brown chairs and the pink.
So you could either do this white one, a circle one, which I feel like might be weird. I don't know.
it might be
Try this
that one, yeah.
Oh, actually this one's stained.
You got it cleaned though. Is it still stained?
Yep.
This guy?
Yeah. It was worse before, so yeah, I think it's better now.
I really like the tassels on the end that you did.
I didn't do that. It came like that.
What?
They look like DIY though, don't they?
No, you
did it in a video.
No, guys, I did it. That's a different rug.
What? I'm almost certain I remember that from a video before I worked here.
100% did that.
No, I didn't. Guys.
So Allie and I literally could have sworn that we watched Kelsey make over this jute rug. I don't know, I think she did it on a similar rug in her apartment. Not this one, although I swear our brains remember watching it happen. Mandela effect is in full effect.
Okay, I like this.
Yeah, this is cute.
I wish it didn't like go into our walkway, but like these might get dirty, you know?
Right. Okay, one rug sorted.
Move it over like more, so it's like you put it like in this corner, kind of. I don't know.
I think center between these two pillars looks good. Looks so good. Yay! Welcome to our office. Okay, last thing is I got that door. It's in my car. We'd love to not have it in my car anymore.
Now walk it up. Now walk it.
She needs help.
Wow, love it.
That is a socially distanced window.
Okay.
Closest I've been to Becky in so long. Oh my God.
All right, I think it's time to call it a day. We got a lot of work done, a lot of stuff moved and organized today, and it's looking really good. All right, it's the next day, and you guessed it, it's time to organize and unpack even more stuff. First, we're gonna start by tackling what will be the new filming space.
So we have those big white storage units that we should find a place for, because I like them. They were like really useful for holding everything.
And yeah, this is literally all DIY supplies.
So the plan is eventually, in case we didn't say, to put a room here, like a giant closet. Maybe the cabinets could go against this wall, and then that wall could be like a white site.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess let's get our cabinets out and like we can start sorting all these DIY supplies.
And then these are the tables that we made, but we don't need them, right?
I don't think that we need them. I think,
What we need is the storage, so we could use them.
yeah, and maybe we almost like add them back to them, or I guess if we put them up against the wall,
Yeah.
then stuff won't fall out of them.
Okay, I can like, I guess, dismantle these.
I can start moving our cabinets over.
Okay.
So this will be the storage room here. So this is on like the back side of the storage room. We're gonna keep our drawers and set them up. So I'm gonna start unloading things into here. Becky's ordering a dishwasher. because we have hookups for a dishwasher, which is so exciting. Internet's also being installed outside. Guys, it's a big day. We're really excited. And I braided my hair for the first time ever.
For the first time?
I feel like I've never been able to do this before.
It looks good. Yeah, upgrade,
Yeah, you have.
upgrade my stay, but you got that done.
I got it done. I've never done it myself.
Oh, that's good.
Wow, congrats.
So we had DIY'd these rolling, movable workstations, and they were great for the last office, but we don't need them in this office. So the plan is to take them apart and use the base just as more storage. But for the tops, I'd love to DIY some amazing kitchen islands.
Oh my God, wait, weren't you talking about something like this? Like the overhead rail
Yes.
for the island?
Yeah.
You can have plant.
Yeah.
It's cool, right?
Yeah. That's where our pots can go. We could do like the way we built Ashley's thing almost. Do like 2 sides, and those are like the 2 feet, and then like. So we needed some reinforcements to help us build our storage room, so I actually reached out to my contractors that are helping me work on my home. We want to do a big storage room here that can hold, you know, all of our extra DIY supplies as well as furniture that we use when doing room makeovers. In the past, furniture has just kind of like spread out throughout our office, so I'm really excited to have a place, a big storage room that we can hide everything that's like, you know, temporary or a little unsightly away.
But we need to get this done ASAP so we can move everything into there. That way we have a better sense of what the rest of the office is looking like, and we can finish decorating it.
I think we have too many pillows for this space, which I never thought I would say.
We need to figure out our pillow solution, but
I'm glad everything got kind of, like, for the most part, out of the boxes and like in the right area. I think it puts us in a good spot for like actually thinking about rooms and spaces now.
I think that's the next step, is to just tackle every space by room, and like, this is not done.
No.
This is like, we can have fun in this little corner.
Oh yes, I'm already imagining the amazingness.
Okay, so the place is coming together. I feel really good about it, really happy to get stuff out of the boxes finally and kind of in their right zones.
But from now on, we're gonna go by room, so we're gonna do makeovers by the different spaces. So we're really excited to get back in here, to get the whole team in here and really make this warehouse garage loft the office of our dreams. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on the future episodes, because there's gonna be a bunch in this series.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the last episode in Loft Vibes. If you aren't caught up already, go watch that now, and we will see you next time. Bye.